Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are having a great day. Man, it's a great day to have a great day. And let's go out and see what the day has in store. We're going to take a walk out here on the beach here at Murrells Inlet, right next to Myrtle Beach. House we're staying at right here. There it is. Such a beautiful day outside. Just enjoying the hot weather. Here come the fighter jets here on the beach on the 4th of July. And I am proud to be an American. And here they are. They fly over. Yeah! Here's some more making their way. I'm not sure if you can see them right now. I'll try to zoom in. Here we go, zoom in for us. You can see it just a little bit there behind the parasol. You can see it right there making their way to us. Let's check them out here. I believe this is the C-17s. I believe what we saw first was the F-16s. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe that's right. Here they come. Looks like they're going to be coming right over us here. Here it is. Here it comes. It's going to be coming right over top of us here. Man, what a scene. This is absolutely amazing. Wow. Wow. Absolutely amazing. There it is. Like I said, I believe that's a C-17 flying right over top of us here. We'd like to just take a moment and to say thank you to all of those who have served, who have made this the greatest nation in the world. I truly believe it. Man, love our country, and thank you just for our freedom that we get to live in this amazing country. And just want to take a moment just to say thank you, and what you do matters. And we truly respect you, we honor you, we love you, and we just want to say thank you so much for your service. Thank you. All right, now it's time to go take a little walk on the beach. It's pretty much what we've done all day. Just chilled out, relaxed on the beach. As you You know, that's the best thing to do while on vacation. And now we're gonna celebrate the 4th the right way, walk on the beach, some fireworks. So here we go, come check it out with us. As you can see, people are starting to come out of their beach house for the week. Some fireworks as we prepare to celebrate tonight. Josh, you pretty excited?
Bro, I'm pumped. Love it. Love it.
What's been your favorite part so far?
Man, we had a bomb dinner tonight.
It was.
Asian chicken pasta, add the shrimp, fresh shrimp. Come on now. So good. So good.
It was good. It was good. Man, oh, come on. Look at that. And this right here is what living like a dream is all about. And so many have just dreamed about living in freedom, and we have that blessing, that opportunity, and that's what living like a dream is. Just taking in every moment, every firework of life and just enjoying your freedom. And man, just want to say once again, thank you so much for all of those who have laid down their lives, who have served so we could have this freedom, and so that we can live every single day like it's a dream. Hope you all had a great night. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all next time.